So we're taking a look at this 96 GTX. I'll show you what it's doing. It's hitting the rev limiter. Pretty sure it's got a bad oh, my voltage regulator. I think it's this guy. I think that's what it is. The red. These things are always on there so hard. Pretty sure this is the problem. I think these are idiot proof. If they're not, why the crap didn't they mark them different colors? Okay, we're gonna go ahead and fasten it down because I'm not sure, because this is grounded plate. It's a possibility that this has to be grounded before you test it. Yeah, I know I lost my washers. It's okay. Try it. Piece of cake fix. We'll just go ahead and close this back up. If this video has been helpful to you, please like and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. And I know this just saved you big time. So anyways, thanks for watching 5-star. You have a great day.